If you're serious about making a truly passive income online, then this video presentation may just be the most important video you ever watch. I'm Jeff Gould, and I've become a #1 app developer with over 10 million app downloads. I figured out a system and made over $197,000 last year with free apps in my spare time. And the best part is, once your app is live in the App Store, you're no longer trading time for money. You make a truly passive income even while you're sleeping. And there are very few costs to get started. In the next few minutes, you're going to hear about a unique app strategy used by a handful of the top app developers in the world that allows them to consistently reach the top of the App Store charts and make thousands of dollars per day, all on autopilot without continuing to trade time for money. By the end of this short presentation, you'll understand how to put this same app strategy to work for you, so you can crank out apps quickly and earn some extra money in as little as 28 days. The app strategy you're about to hear about is not just another ordinary app strategy. It works without needing any programming skills, without needing to invest very much time or money, and it works regardless of any prior struggles you may have had trying to make money with apps. Look, when you begin getting ready to make money with apps, it's no secret there are just 3 things you must do. 1, you must choose the right app category. 2, you must keep your upfront cost as low as possible. And 3, you must put your app in every app store. I'm sure you already know that the amount of money you earn from apps is based largely on the type of app you make, how you market your app in each app store, and which strategies you use to monetize your app. The wrong plan and strategies for building and marketing apps can not only cost you a ton of time and money, it can actually cause you to give up right before you're about to start making that money you worked so hard for. In fact, look at some stats that were recently published in Forbes magazine that what the following the wrong plan does for app developers. The average app developer has 5 apps and only makes around $4,000 total per app. Compare that to simple games like Flappy Bird, which was reportedly making over $50,000 per day or $1.5 million per month. Just imagine, the average app developer spends months and thousands of dollars creating an app. They follow an unproven strategy and create an app without knowing what type of apps are actually making money. They follow their own plan and spend 10 to 12 weeks building their app, and come launch day, they end up getting hardly any downloads, they make very little money, and virtually give up their dreams of making money with apps. And when they go back to the drawing board, they have no clue why they didn't get any downloads and why they didn't make any money. They struggle to figure out how simple games like Flappy Bird are dominating the app stores. Unfortunately, this happens more often than you would believe, especially for first-time app developers who choose the wrong approach when trying to make money with apps. Fact is, it only takes a few minutes browsing a forum on sites like reddit.com to see dozens of examples of aspiring app developers who followed a traditional app plan and ended up losing money and wasting time. And they're now struggling to figure out what to do next. Obviously, this is the last thing you want to have happen to you and your apps. Yet creating the wrong type of app is a common mistake for a lot of app developers when following most traditional app strategies. Fortunately, there's a much better app strategy you can use to make apps quickly without having to spend hardly any money, which makes it easy to turn a profit. This way, using a proven app strategy, you don't need to spend tons of time and money hiring a developer, you don't need any programming skills, and not only can you get one app up on the App Store quickly, but you can also create multiple apps, allowing you to multiply your downloads and keeping you excited about making money with apps. The proven strategy I'm referring to is included in a package I've created called the Game Starter Kit. And it's nothing like the traditional app or game development approach many first-time developers use. In fact, I'll tell you what makes it so different from the traditional app development approach and exactly how it works to quickly make games in just a minute. First, let me tell you why this Game Starter Kit is so effective at helping you make games quickly, without any programming skills, while limiting your out-of-pocket expense, so you can actually make a profit. Unlike traditional approaches for making games that focus on hiring a developer based on an app idea you came up with, using the Game Starter Kit dramatically decreases the amount of time required to get a game onto the App Store and allows you to publish this game on all of the major app stores, which in turn multiplies your app downloads and profits, instead of the typical game development approach, which takes way too much time and costs way too much money. You see, the Game Starter Kit is not a typical development process that requires you to spend weeks or months building a game, or spend thousands of dollars hiring somebody to build it for you. It's a complete starter kit that has proven success, so you can model what is already working and get your game into every app store so you can get downloads as quickly as possible. Let me quickly tell you how and why this works. Then I'll tell you how you can start using the Game Starter Kit yourself. The reason why the Game Starter Kit works so well for app developers who want to make games and get downloads quickly is because it dramatically increases your chances for success. It minimizes your out-of-pocket investment, and it allows you to maximize your downloads and profits. So the outcome for you is you can make a game quickly, you can create one game and put it in every app store without spending tons of money hiring an expensive developer, and without spending weeks or months making the game yourself. And once your game is live in the App Store, you're no longer trading any of your time for money. You're getting downloads and making money even while you're sleeping. That's what you want, right? Then let me quickly tell you about the Game Starter Kit. It's a complete and comprehensive program that walks you through each and every step of creating the #1 hit game, Flappy Bird, in under 1 hour, using free drag and drop software that you can download right now, and it includes a complete game template with all of the graphics and sounds that you can use immediately. I am so confident the Game Starter Kit will get you into the App Store and making money in under 28 days. I'll even let you try out the whole thing risk-free. Just use the entire program, customize the game, put the game in one or all of the app stores, and if you aren't getting downloads and making any money, it won't cost you a dime. Now, before telling you everything you get, there's one thing I need you to be aware of. This starter kit was not designed to be a full-blown app training course. My AppRush Academy coaching program is the flagship app course with hours of training video teaching you how I got over 9 million app downloads and earned over $215,000 last year making simple games. This starter kit was specifically designed to help you make a game and get downloads in the shortest period of time possible, without needing to know anything about programming, and eliminating the need to spend thousands of dollars hiring a developer. So if you're just looking to spend weeks and months developing games as a hobby, and you're not really serious about success or actually making money with apps, this starter kit is not for you. If, on the other hand, you are serious about building games quickly without needing to know how to program, and you want to eliminate the need to hire a developer, then this Game Starter Kit is for you. So let me tell you what you get today with this package. First off, the Game Starter Kit is not just a little ebook or something like that. It includes all of this: access to free game making software, video instructions, easy reference cheat sheet, a complete game project with images and sounds, a checklist that holds your hand every step of the way, and a video to customize the game. With the Game Starter Kit training videos, you get a detailed breakdown piece by piece and step by step of how to quickly get started cranking out games. By the end of your training videos, you'll know exactly how to use the free drag and drop software, so as long as you follow the video instructions, you're guaranteed to learn how to make a popular game in under 1 hour max. The second component you get is the Starter Kit cheat sheet, which is a complete written document showing you what to do step by step. Your Starter Kit cheat sheet holds you by the hand. This way you know exactly what to do each step of the way, and you don't have to worry or think about whether you're doing it right. The third component you get is the Starter Kit checklist. This is a simple one-page document you can refer to anytime to make sure you complete each step to reap the full benefits of this program. The fourth component you get is the complete game project. If you don't want to spend the time to make it yourself, you can just take this complete game project and publish it in the App Store right now. The fifth component you get is a detailed training video on how to make simple modifications to the game. This way, you can customize the game exactly the way you want it. This entire package has a true retail value of $297. The graphics alone cost me $205 to have created. And that does not even include the huge bonus you're also going to get that I'll tell you about in just a second. Because today I can give you access to everything right away by giving you a digital copy of the entire game starter kit. There are minimal costs and expenses for me. So I'm able to give you access to the entire package for well below the $297 value. In fact, today as part of a marketing test, you can grab the entire package, including the complete game project, the images, the videos, the cheat sheet, and the checklist for just one single payment of $29. Remember, you can try out the whole thing risk-free, and if it doesn't get you downloads and making money in 28 days, just shoot me an email and I'll get you a complete 100% refund, no questions asked. To grab your package, just go ahead and click the orange Add to Cart button below. As soon as you enter your details into the secure form, you'll be given instant access to everything. In addition to the complete game starter kit, you're also going to get a really huge bonus today. This bonus is not available for purchase anywhere else. This bonus is only given to students in my AppRush Academy coaching program who paid upwards of $2,000 to have access to this information. The bonus you get is one of the most valuable app monetization strategies the top developers are using right now. It's called Extreme App Income, and it's a step-by-step video showing you exactly how I use this proven strategy to make $23,439 in my first 3 months. You'll see exactly how to implement this strategy in your game. More importantly, how you can use it in every game you create to really stack your profits. Again, only students in my AppRush Academy coaching program who paid upwards of $2,000 have access to this. In the future, if I do decide to make this strategy and image templates available for purchase, it will be sold for at least $197. Today, when you grab your copy of the Game Starter Kit, you get the Extreme App Income video and image templates instantly and for free. Just this bonus alone is worth $197. Today, you get all of this for just one payment of $29. To grab your starter kit and the free bonus, just go ahead and click the orange Add to Cart button below. As soon as you enter your details into the secure form, you'll be given instant access to everything. Look, I'm not sure how long I'm going to offer this package at just $29, or if I'll continue to offer all the different components, let alone the huge bonus, at no extra fee. So if you want to get everything I said and get it all for just $29, now truly is the time for you. Look, if you're serious about being an app developer, and you want to make apps quickly, and get downloads in all of the major app stores, and you want to make money with apps while minimizing your out-of-pocket expense, there really is no better package you can use than the Game Starter Kit. There's no need to gamble with your money or your time, and there's no reason to put yourself at risk of having an embarrassing experience hiring an app developer. Simply grab your Game Starter Kit today and let it go to work for you, getting you downloads and profits in just 28 days, guaranteed. So go ahead and click the orange Add to Cart button below. I look forward to hearing about your success story.